guys, this is my villa, and unfortunately I have to say goodbye to it for right now because there's so many things going on there. It's a beautiful place, it's a beautiful house, but the treachery behind my house, the human feces and the toilet paper and the dogs and pooping everywhere, and it's just not my happy space, unfortunately. It's kind of bittersweet, the fact that I can't find anyone to fix my roof. I spent a couple of nights in it, and the noise outside of my windows until early in the morning, it was just a little bit too much for me. So this is not going to be my happy place, so I went on over to Morocco. I really enjoyed myself there, but unfortunately I had to come home because of death in the family. So I am going to reset and then figure it out there. I will be putting the property up for sale. I am having some minor upgrades on the property done. So, I'm just kind of like resetting right now and trying to figure it all out. And I have early retired, but I've met some really, really wonderful people here, some beautiful, beautiful people, expatriates from Britain and expatriates from other places. And I just really, really enjoyed my time here. And so if not for anything, I've met some very, very lifelong friends. And I will take it from there and then just decide what I'm planning on doing. And hopefully I'll find my happy space. And we'll see. And so that's what's going on over here. So this was my last walk through the beauty of this villa. And like I said, I was saying the whole time how bittersweet it is. The beautiful fruit trees and nut trees and the spring here. I mean, it's just kind of a little sad, I felt a little defeated. I went over there to do a lot of things. I planned on staying over there for my full, until like early fall, just to get some things done. And I ended up not really getting anything done. And once again, I wasted money. So I'm at the stage now where I don't want to throw any more money into this situation over here. So even the beautiful drive to the villa wasn't as, I wasn't anticipating it anymore like I used to. So that being said, this is just a little short video of what's going on here. I am not in Spain right now, so I am back in the States. Like I said, I'm resetting myself, and I did have to come back here for death in the family. So I will be keeping you guys posted. I do have a plan B, so I'm resetting, and then hopefully I can get on my journey to my plan B. But I will still be posting, and please like, subscribe, share, comment. I am trying to grow this content here and make a good channel with it. So just to document my journey for my family and friends and anyone else who wants to come along to see what's going on with doing it all on my own over 60. So yeah, thanks for watching.